Good evening. May I introduce myself?
Oh, how do you do?
Oh, all the better for seeing you.
I hope we aren't intruding.
Oh, no, guests are always welcome.
Thank you, Heron.
Call me Whistler. Everyone does.
I hope you won't mind me asking, but...
The whistle? Someone mistook me for a pheasant. Took a pot shot. Winged me. Air goes straight through it when I'm flying. Makes a whistling noise. Everyone always knows when I'm coming.
Wouldn't do for me. I hunt by stealth.
Do you now?
Yes, I do.
Well, fish don't hear me. In the water, you see. Tell you what, I'll catch you some for breakfast. What's this?